In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. If you work with Asana regularly, you probably know how quickly your project views can get cluttered. Finished tasks sitting right next to the ones you're still working on can make it harder to see what actually needs your attention. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to hide completed tasks so you can focus only on what's still in progress. First, open Asana and head to the project where you want to clean up the view. This can be any project in your workspace. A team project, a personal to-do list, or a shared project with collaborators. Make sure you're in the main project view, not in your inbox or my tasks. For this example, we'll be working in the list view, since that's where filters are most commonly used. Once the project is open, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right one, especially if you manage several similar projects. Next, look towards the top of the project, just above your list of tasks. You should see a toolbar with options like search, sort, and other view settings. Among these, there's a filter option. This is usually labeled clearly and it controls which tasks are shown based on their status and other criteria. Go ahead and click on this filter control. If your screen is small or zoomed in, you might need to expand or scroll slightly to see it. So don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. When you click the filter, a small menu will appear, giving you different choices for which tasks to display. This is where you can decide whether you want to see all tasks, only completed ones, or only incomplete ones. To hide completed tasks from your view, select the option labeled Incomplete Tasks. This tells Asana to show only tasks that are still open and need work. As soon as you choose Incomplete Tasks, your project view will refresh automatically. All tasks that have been marked as complete will disappear from the list, leaving you with a clean layout that only shows what's pending. Don't worry, those completed tasks aren't deleted, they're just hidden from this particular view. You can always change the filter back later to all tasks or completed tasks if you need to review your past work or double check something. And that's it. By selecting your project, opening the filter menu and choosing incomplete tasks, you keep your Asana workspace focused, tidy, and much